Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to update from iOS 16 beta to iOS 16 official version. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Check current version. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Journal. On the Journal page, tap About. Check your iOS version. iOS 16 is available. Solution number 2. Update to the official. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down. Tap VPN and device management. Tap iOS 16 beta software update. Tap remove profile. Enter your passcode. Again remove. Then go back Journal page. Tap software update. Check your software update. Solution number 3. Backup iPhone by iCloud. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Tap Show All. Turn off any app and turn on back. Then go back. Tap iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now. Thanks for watching this video.